Hey everyone, and welcome to Shoot On. You know, there are many new AR-15 owners out there, and more are joining the ranks every month. And, you know, after learning how to operate and shoot the gun, the big question they have is, how do I clean it? Unfortunately, a lot of the rifle manufacturers do not produce manuals that really walk the beginner through it in a comprehensive and clear manner. And, you know, this even applies to veteran shooters who may be picking up an AR-15 for the first time. It's simply unfamiliar territory. They're not sure what to do or what they need to clean and maintain their gun. Now, Real Avid has come up with the AR-15 Tactical Maintenance Kit, and it's kind of a really cool product because it has everything in it you need to properly clean and to maintain for the long haul your AR-15. The kit comes with a comprehensive cleaning kit that will take care of your rifle bore, your chamber, and bolt cleaning. There are also assorted tools to make the job easier. This is an adjustable vise block that allows you to perform cleaning and lubrication operations at a comfortable bench height. A Nifty board guide locks the upper and lower receiver in an open position, muzzle down, so solvent will drain out the muzzle and prevent making a mess inside the receivers. For really gunked up chambers, you can use the chamber boss to scrape fouling from behind the bolt lugs. This tool also allows you to clean the chamber with star chamber cleaning pads that are included in the kit. The AR-15 Multitool that comes in the kit packs a lot in a compact size. In it, there are numerous tools that cover practically every touch point of the AR-15 bolt carrier group. There is a tool for scraping brass and carbon from the hard-to-reach bolt face, one for cleaning bolt lug corners, the radius behind the bolt, which is a major carbon buildup point, as is the forward shoulder of the firing pin. Plus, there are other scrapers on the tool that you may or may not need to use. The multi-tool sheath doubles as a bit driver with included bits that cover most tasks you'll encounter. All of this comes in a durable case that stows easily on your home workbench and is convenient for taking to the range. So as you can see, the Real Avid maintenance kit has all the hardware that you need to keep your gun clean and maintained. In addition to that, you're going to need a few supplies. So for the solvent, we recommend Hoppy's No. 9. It's been around forever. It works great, and you'll have no problems with it. Lubrication, you know, you can use just a gun oil, mineral oil works. We like the LSA weapons oil. This is a military grade lubricant that you can find. Just go online and look up LSA weapons oil, and there's plenty of retailers out there that sell that. If you have a 223, 5.56 chambered rifle, you're going to need 22 caliber patches. We favor the cotton variety. They're just much more absorbent. They seem to really clean out debris real well out of the bore. And again, they work forever for a lot of people. Just buy a big bag of them because you're going to need it. And other than that, really the best tip we can give you, give the new AR-15 owner is to clean their gun after every use. If you delay that, it's going to be more difficult to clean the carbon and the fouling out of the bolt, out of the barrel. Just go ahead and clean as soon as you get home. Give it a good thorough cleaning, give it a lubrication, and the gun will last you a lifetime. So if you want more information about the Real Avid AR-15 Tactical Maintenance Kit, go over to realavid.com.